Hello my dear friends, the Lord of Lego is with you like always, and today we're going to create the new chromatic brawler Ash from the game Bravl Starс. Ash is beautiful, detailed and mobile. Rate him in the comments, put like in this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow the link in my description to my online Lego store, Lord of Lego Point Store, where now you can buy this Ash and very many other brawlers at a huge discounts. So don't miss the chance to buy my Lego brawlers, which I built from the original Lego parts, at a huge discounts. And we come back to my video. Ash is very mobile. Ash's arms are unhinged, so we can move them in all directions. In one hand he holds a brush with which he removes rubbish and damages his enemies. It's super cool. And in the other hand he holds a shield which he uses as a dustpan and as a shield. We go to the legs and we can turn them to the left and to the right. Behind him we see a trash compartment, and if we open this door we can see what there is much empty place. We come back to his face, and here we can close the shutter. By the way, there is a lot of different trash on top of Ash's head. Here we see a lot of bottles, banana peel and a lot of other trash. We took apart our Ash. He is beautiful, detailed and mobile. I built him from lots of grey and dark grey bricks. It's very useful. And a lot of other rare and cool parts. I think that's all. So now we must only build him. Let's go! our trash knight is already ready. Don't care if you don't have enough Lego parts to build him, because he and very many other brawlers you can buy in my online Lego store, Lord of Lego Point store, at a huge discounts. So right now, follow my link in the description to my online Lego store and buy exclusive Lego brawlers. My friends, put like in this video, subscribe to my channel and invite your friends to my Lego YouTube channel. Today we have built a new chromatic brawler Ash from Lego. I think that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye!